Today we're making an Elsa cake.
So welcome to Sweetwater Cakes. I'm Michelle, and joining me today is
Emery.
Emery. So what are we making the cake for?
My little sister's birthday.
Your little sister. How old is she going to be?
3.
So let's get started and make this awesome Elsa Cupcake Cake.
Okay.
Let's get started and sweeten the world.
Yes.
So here we're going to have 5 cupcakes, 4 cupcakes,
3 cupcakes, 2 cupcakes,
2 cupcakes, 2 cupcakes, and 3. Add your 3 there. So here we're going to have the dress and some nice little sleeves. Okay, so just squeeze a little bit of frosting on the cupcake. That's enough. And this is going to help our cupcakes so that they don't slide around. So here we have our dark blue frosting, and we are going to add little swirls to the bottom part of the cupcake cake. If you notice here on Elsa's dress, the bottom part here is much darker and it starts to get lighter on the top, kind of an ombre effect. The way that we make this technique is you're going to hold the frosting just like this, and then we are going to start in the middle and just kind of swirl it all around like this. So Emery, I'll do a few and then I'll have you do a few, okay? Looks great, Emery. All the way around. Good job. And now do these ones right there. This is such a fun technique, and you can make so many cupcakes like this, and people think you spent so much time, but really, it's so fast.
Yeah.
It is so fast. I love this technique. Now that we have our nice dark skirt, we're going to go up the dress with more of an ombre effect, just a little bit lighter blue. Okay?
I know some fun facts about Elsa. Do you think I should tell you guys some?
What are your fun facts about Elsa?
Well, I know that Elsa made Olaf. You guys might know that too, but it seems pretty hard to make a snowman.
You want to build a snowman? Who do you like more, Elsa or Anna?
My dad always likes Elsa better because she's more intelligent. And I'd say Elsa too. She has ice powers. I love ice.
But Anna is so much more fun. Like, Anna is really living life to the fullest. And Elsa
Elsa made a giant ice castle. No one else could do that in real life.
I know, but Elsa she's not as much fun. Like, she gets angry at her sister, and her sister's just trying to be nice.
You have a good point.
It was pretty silly to get engaged to someone that she just met.
I know, and her sister had a good point saying that's just ridiculous.
I know, so did Kristoff.
Yeah.
Everyone did. Do not get engaged to someone that you just met.
Even if it's true love.
Even if it's true love. How do you know if it's true love if you just met?
I don't know. So Elsa, what's your favorite color? Blue.
Alright, so we're going to add little tiny swirls here right along the cake. And this is going to help make it look like the dress is more put together. So as you can see right here, we have holes. Now if we just put frosting right there, the frosting is going to sink right down. Physics 101. So I'm going to add just a little bit of paper. This is just a paper towel right in here so that when we frost it, it won't fall through. So here we put a little bit of frosting and it doesn't fall through, and we don't waste any frosting. Emery, Elsa, what do you think of the cake?
It looks good so far. I think so too.
But let's add a few snowflakes to the cake.
Right now we have these little punchers that punch out snowflakes, and we're gonna add them in some areas like maybe right there or over here.
And we're going to use fondant, which Emery loves.
I love fondant. Subscribe down below if you love fondant.
Even if you don't love fondant, subscribe down below. These things are so cool. You just punch it in, and it will wiggle it to make it loose. Punch the little plunger part down, and then you have a nice little snowflake.
So we rolled our snowflakes out, and now we are ready to place them all over the cake.
So we're just going to place them along the bottom and just kind of in a nice little line. Well, I think our Elsa dress cake is done. I think it looks beautiful, Elsa. Emery?
Love it!
Elsa loves it. We love it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. Go sweeten the world.